So, good morning, children. Today we will study our new chapter, which is units and dimensions. Units and dimensions. This will be our new chapter, second chapter. We will start this chapter today. So, let us see what all things we have to study here. Children, this chapter is actually units and measurements. Instead of dimension you have measurements, right? No problem, no issue. It is units and measurements. This is your chapter, right? So our first topic of discussion, it will be units. First of all, we talk about units, then we will talk about physical quantities. Children, physical quantities are of two types. We will study it in the chapter, in the video today. After that, the third thing which we can discuss is what we can discuss? Yes, types of units. These all things will come in the introductory part. So let us start them one by one. First of all, we will study unit. So unit. Now what is unit? How can we define unit? Remember, children, any physical quantity which is measured, any physical quantity which is measured, when it is measured, not which is measured, it is physical quantity. When it is measured, what you do? You do comparison. You do comparison of that physical quantity with what? You will do comparison with a certain reference standard. For example, you have gone to a shop. You bought 1 kg of sugar. And he placed the sugar crystals in one pan. In the other pan, what you will keep? You will keep the weight, the standard weight, so that you can measure correctly that the sugar which I am taking is 1 kilogram in weight. The mass of that sugar is 1 kilogram. Like this, by comparing with the internationally accepted reference standards, we can measure any physical quantity, and the same is explained here to you, right? This internationally accepted reference standards is called unit. भाई यही जो चीज़ है ना जिसके साथ हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, द इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड रेफरेंस स्टैंडर्ड्स, दीज ओनली आर कॉल्ड यूनिट. भाई इन्हीं को हम क्या कहते हैं? यूनिट कहा जाता है. ठीक है. आफ्टर दिस व्हाट वी विल स्टडी नेक्स्ट? वी विल स्टडी टाइप्स ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. There are two types of physical quantities. Always remember, there are two types of physical quantities. What is one type? One type is fundamental. First type is fundamental. This is first type. And what is second type? Second type is derived physical quantities. Now, what is fundamental physical quantity? Let us see this first. Quantity which is present in nature, which is present in nature. The quantity which is present in nature itself are called fundamental quantities. भाई जो quantities पहले से ही present हैं, जिनको हम derive नहीं कर सकते, all those quantities are called fundamental quantities. Now after this what we can say? We can have examples. Let us see examples of fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities will be length, time, temperature. All these quantities are called fundamental quantities. Okay, why? Because these cannot be derived from any physical quantity. Then next question arises that what are derived physical quantities? What are derived physical quantities? So our answer will be quantity derived using fundamental physical quantity are called derived physical quantities. भाई all those quantities जिनको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, derive कर सकते हैं with the help of fundamental physical quantities, all those physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. Right? Now how many fundamental quantities are there? How many fundamental quantities are there? Let us see that. Fundamental quantities. Remember children, there are seven fundamental physical quantities. Okay, out of them first is mass, second length, third time, fourth temperature, fifth will be luminous intensity, sixth amount of substance, sixth is amount of substance, seventh will be seventh is very important, which is electric current. The important one we left, right? So all these physical quantities are fundamental physical quantities. Only 7 are there. Only 7 physical quantities are present in the nature, which are considered as fundamental physical quantities. Rest all the physical quantities, wherever you have studied in physics, in science, all those physical quantities are considered as derived physical quantities, because we used to derive them with the help of fundamental. Now we will study types of units. Like we have seen, physical quantities are of two types. In the same way, we will have units. Units are also of two types. One is fundamental unit, other is derived unit. Fundamental units are also called base units. Now we have seen that there are 7 fundamental physical quantities. That means there will be 7 fundamental units. First quantity was mass. Mass has unit kilogram. Symbol is kg. Second quantity was length. Its unit is meter. Symbol is small m. Right? Third physical quantity was time. Time is measured in second. Its symbol will be S. Fourth is electric current. Its unit is ampere and symbol is capital A. Fifth physical quantity. Fifth is temperature. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. Its symbol is capital K. Sixth quantity is amount of substance. Amount of substance is measured in mole. Symbol is MOL. Seventh physical quantity is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is measured in candela and its symbol is CAD. Not CAD. Here what will you have? You will have CD. Wait children, we have to correct here. We have to make correction. Okay, now it is CD. CD stands for candela. These are the 7 fundamental quantities and the 7 fundamental units written in front of them. Along with these fundamental units, there are 2 more units which are, you can say, supplementary units. One unit is plane angle and the other unit is solid angle. One is plane angle, other is solid angle. The SI unit of plane angle is radian and symbol is RAD. Solid angle, its unit is steradian. And what about its symbol? Its symbol is SRAD, steradian. Okay, symbol even it is not important, but remember unit. It's radian and solid angle is steradian. Right, these were the 2 supplementary units which are used along with fundamental units. So these were the things we studied today. We studied units, then we studied physical quantities. These were of 2 types, derived and fundamental. After that we studied types of unit. Types of unit was also fundamental and derived. So all these things we covered in this video. The remaining things of the chapter we will continue in the coming videos. Till then, you keep revising and take care.